Tiny Tweet the little bird spotted a floating cloud island and flapped excitedly.
He landed gently, bouncing on the soft, fluffy clouds.
Magical flowers bloomed instantly as he hopped around in wonder.
A tiny sparkling pond reflected the sky like a mirror. Rainbow butterflies circled Tiny Tweet, painting colors in the air. Sunlight pierced the soft mist, making everything shimmer magically. Floating petals brushed his feathers as he giggled with joy. He splashed in the tiny cloud waterfall, laughing and singing happily.
And Tiny Tweet realized the real adventure was following his curiosity and courage.